Welcome back. So let's check what we did last time. This is where we stopped. So this is our output. So let's check. So we stopped at the input. We start the input that is inside the class of duration. Okay, now we are going to auto, the div auto, that is the one that has to do with the autoplay. So I'm going to be commenting this out. Okay, so auto, then font size 18 pixel is 18. Okay, text align. Did I declare the text align? No, I only thought about cursor. So let me put text align there. Should be centered. So then cursor should be pointer, border should be okay. Cursor, pointer, margin top, border none, then padding, color, background, outline none, then border radius 10 pixel. So let me comment this out. So let's come here. So this is what we just worked on, our autoplay. Okay, the margin, let me see, did I put any margin? Same, is it not too far from this thing now? Let me check. Margin top 45 pixel. Wow, let me try and remove this. Let's see if it's going to be closer. Okay, 5 pixel. Okay, so it's better. Okay, so let's go to the next thing, which is our play. Which one is this? I inside the auto. Let's check. Auto. Okay. Any hide here? No. So that was wrong. So let me comment it out. Now, so play now. Want it to have background of this, then right button over. So we say background should be this, then the right, then hide before. So we want it to be like this, and then right. Okay, this show Qur'an number, and I've removed it. We can still style it anyway, so let me just comment it out for now. And then come here to refresh it. So now this is our play. So this is the play. So this one is working with over, and this one is working with over. So this is our autoplay. Alright, so let's move on. So now the show Qur'an number, look, someone has even told me that I shouldn't remove it. So let me just return it back. Where is our high? Right, okay. So this is right. Then it was here before the Quran detail. Okay. Show Quran number and that. All right. Let's go back to our CSS. And then I want to style it now. So Quran number. Let me style it separately. And then we say position should be absolute. This position absolute is okay. I'm going to show you. It seems I've shown it somewhere before, if it is absolute, if it is relative, and all of that. So this absolute now will make it to float to one top corner. All right, so the top should be 10 pixel, right 10 pixel, width 30 pixel, height 20 pixel. The display should be flex, align items, center, justify, content center, padding 8 pixel, 12 pixel, color should be this, border radius 5 pixel. Then okay, then I have background here. Good. Okay, so after that, now the next thing we'll have here is our I'm going to be explaining something to us here. Let me first remove this, it's not necessary. Okay, so whenever you see this, so this is telling us that, let me over on it, maybe there's going to be one kind of explanation. Okay, so this class of show Quran number, we are now telling it that a particular child, you know, it's a class, definitely it has some children inside it. It means it has some children element inside it. So which children element do we want it to pick? It is P. It may have many other elements, it may have anchor tag, it may have other elements like that, but we want it to pick this particular one, P. Are you getting it now? But which of the P are we talking about now? We say the nth child 2, meaning that the second P. This 2 here now is telling us that the second, meaning that we have many P elements. I'm going to show it to you inside the index. We have many P elements inside show Quran class, but we want this style to pick the second P. So let's quickly check. So this Quran, yes, we have this first one that hold this one, this one that hold the slash, and this third one that hold the 2. So it means that it is this slash that we want to style now, the second P. So that is what the nth child, that is what it does. So we said it should, the margin should just be 0 then 5 pixel. We are almost done with our CSS, though we still have some things to add to it. So can you see it now? Okay, it seems we didn't notice very well. Let me first remove this. So let me remove this absolute, or let me just alterate it somehow. So I've altered it now, I've altered it rather. So let's come here and review. Can you see now? So it has come back to this place. So the absolute will bring it to this corner here. Okay. So that is that about that for now. So the next thing after this is to talk about responsiveness. So this one is suitable for screen size of a laptop, a PC, a laptop, or a desktop, but it cannot work fine on phone screen or on tablet screen. So now we're going to be applying responsiveness to it, and that is what is coming next. All right, see you in just a moment.